Hi, this is the Motorola G14 and I'll show you how to remove home screen widgets on this device. So to add the widget to your home screen, you should first hold for a while home screen with your finger and then tap to the widgets icon. Tap to get it and you'll see here all of the available applications on your device, what widgets you could add. So we could see that the calendar application got two different types of the widgets. To add them to your home screen, you should hold the widget and drag it to the home screen. To move widget here on the screen or between the screens, we should just hold it and drag it. To resize the widget by the same way, hold it for a while and after that you could make it bigger or smaller. And to remove it from your home screen, hold it and drag it to remove icon. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.